thank you for watching. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys my makeup collection. I just kind of organized it and cleaned it a little bit, and honestly, this is the best that my makeup collection has ever looked. It's so funny because a few years ago, I was so obsessed with collecting makeup. I was so obsessed with just having it, just to have it. I wouldn't even use anything that I had. I would just have like a crazy amount of everything. And about 2 years ago, I cleared out everything and I got rid of half of the stuff that I had. I used to have these crazy big acrylic drawers on my desk that were like stacked on top of each other, filled with makeup, and I just was over it. I was like, I want a clean space. I want that 9 Alex drawer right behind me over there used to be filled with makeup too, and I actually don't have any makeup in it now. I just have other junk in it. But yeah, I downsized a lot. I still have a lot of makeup. There's some stuff that I don't use that I probably will never use, but I can't part with because it was so expensive. Like the craze of like when liquid lipsticks were a big thing, I bought so many crazy colors. I don't even wear liquid lipsticks now. So it's like, ugh, I have like sometimes when I look at this stuff, I'm like, why did I spend all this money on it? And I don't even use it, but I can't part with it. So let me know if you struggle with that too. I thought this would be a fun video to do. Maybe it will give you guys some inspiration. So if you guys want to see my makeup collection, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so this is an overview of my makeup collection. Most of this is from IKEA. I have the 2 5-drawer Alex drawers. Those are obviously from IKEA. I feel like everybody has seen them and knows about them, but they do store makeup amazingly. This is a tabletop from IKEA, and as you can see, it chipped a lot. I should probably like try to put like white paint or something on it, but this is the one that didn't have the clear gloss over it. I kind of regret not getting that one. So if you do plan on getting the IKEA tabletop, I would definitely spend the extra money and get the one with the gloss over it, just because it definitely chips. I mean, I have had this for a really long time, but yeah, it kind of looks a little beat up. But I also have the add-on unit from IKEA that has the smaller Alex drawers in it. These drawers are a lot smaller than these, but I love the way that looks. It gives you kind of extra storage, and I feel like this little slot underneath gives you the perfect amount of space for like a laptop or something. So that's kind of where I keep my laptop. So over here I have these really pretty brush holders. These are actually from Saks off Fifth Ave. They were kind of pricey. They were like $20 each, but I just love the way they look. They're so pretty and I just needed them. So that is what I have to hold my brushes. And then behind it, I have like a clear brush holder that's from Target. You guys could see I keep my Cetaphil moisturizer behind here too. And then I have this Sonia Kashuk brush holder that has like sponges that I haven't used in it, and I keep like my little eyelash brushes in here. And then a couple Tarte brushes right here that don't really fit in those. And then I just have my little sponge holder there. Okay, this mirror right here is amazing. I actually just got this maybe like a month or so ago. And it does have settings. It's from Amazon. It lights up super bright. That's where I do my makeup. Sometimes I even use this light to give a little extra brightness when I film. But it also has different settings, which is cool. It has like a yellow setting. I never use that one. And then it has like a really, really bright, almost like a blue setting. And then even brighter setting. So you could use the different settings. And then over here, I just have this really pretty amethyst crystal. I just love the way that looks. Okay, so I'm going to start with these 2 little add-on drawers. In this drawer right here, I keep foundation, primer, and concealer. The way I have it separated is in this little container right here. This is like a little container to like separate them. I have primers and concealers and that kind of stuff in here, and then in here I keep my foundations and BB creams. So I'm not going to go through every product. What I think I'm going to do is just go through each drawer and tell you guys my favorites. So my favorite primer is the Too Faced Hangover RX. I don't really have a favorite concealer. I feel like out of the ones I currently have, I probably like this Huda one the best. This Tarte primer is really good for blurring pores as well. And then my favorite foundation is the Peach Perfect from Too Faced. I have a couple, or I have like 3 of those in there, different colors, but I love that. And then in this drawer, this is one of my lip drawers. I consider this drawer like the lip product drawer that I use the most. Like I'm always grabbing for products in here. So I have the same thing. I have like 2 little compartments separated. These are just like little acrylic drawer separators, but in here I have mostly glosses. A couple of my favorite are the Marc Jacobs one in the shade Sugar Sugar. I love the Anastasia lip glosses, Carly Bible and Il Makiage, love. And then over here I have like balm type products, like these Laneige lip glowy balms. Amazing. You guys have to try these if you haven't. They're literally the best. So hydrating, and they give you like that glossy look. And then I also keep lip liners in here. So these are just like all my lip liners. These are like tinted like lip balms. I have the Sephora one and the IT Cosmetics one. And then I'm going to start with this side first. By the way, this chair is from HomeGoods. They have a ton of little like stools like that. Alright, so this drawer isn't like super organized, but I feel like it's the best it's going to look. I keep kind of skincare products in here, like moisturizers, hand creams. I keep like my tweezers and little like scissors in here, scrunchies, lip balms, all of that kind of stuff. A couple of my favorite products in this drawer are the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I love these. I think the vanilla one's my favorite though. Sol de Janeiro lip balm, love that. I have some hand creams over here. Drunk Elephant Deep Bronzy, that one's amazing. Urban Decay All Nighter. Yeah, so I kind of keep all of that kind of stuff in here. This drawer I have smaller eyeshadow palettes and then single eyeshadows. And then over here I have liners and mascaras, brow products, eyeshadow primers, lashes, more mascara. And then back here, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have all my MAC pigments. It's kind of hard to get to. You can kind of see them back there. There's like a ton of MAC pigments that I haven't used in forever, but I do really like them. So a couple of my favorite products in this drawer. I love the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. That's been my favorite brow product recently. Tarte Man Eater Mascara. Oh, it's so good. I have like a backup too. Even though I have eyelash extensions right now, so I haven't really been using it, but it's the best. Alright, so this drawer is one of my favorite drawers. This is my lipstick drawer. This is where I store all my MAC lipsticks. And then I have other lipstick brands over here, and then liquid lipsticks and glosses right here. These are like gift sets from Bite Beauty. And then I just have Neutrogena makeup little wipes in there. So that's all that's in this drawer. But I just love how organized it looks. A couple of my favorites are obviously the MAC lipsticks, and then these NARS Audacious lipsticks. I have quite a few of these, and they're awesome. I love those. And that's really it. I really don't use that many out of this area right here because they're all liquid lipsticks. Okay, and then the last 2 drawers are kind of like a little bit of a mess. They kind of just have like travel products and like makeup bags. So I'll quickly show you guys that. I just keep like travel stuff in here. Like brush holders, makeup bags. They're like so stuffed too. Same here. This one will like barely open. Headphones, travel, makeup bags, and stuff like that. To the other side, this first drawer right here has all of my blushes, powders, and bronzers. Anything that's like in a powder form. So in the front right here, I keep kind of my most used powders. I love this Maybelline Fit Me one right here. Tarte Amazonian Clay. Hoola bronzer. That's like my favorite bronzer. I have a few MAC powders. This Milk makeup powder has been like my favorite lately. NARS blushes right here. I love NARS blushes, my MAC blushes. And then I just have some random stuff here. bronzers. I feel like these little organizers make it look so much neater. Okay, and then in this drawer right here, this is like my palette drawer, but I also keep highlighters in here that don't fit in that drawer right there. So in here I have my Becca highlighters, I have MAC highlighters, Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick. My favorites, I love these. And then I have face palettes. So I have Lorac Contour Palette, this Too Faced Blush Palette, love that one. Too Faced Book of Bronzers. I have some like Tarte Holiday palettes. Z palette back there, BH palette. So just kind of like all face palettes, like blush palette, bronzer palette, contour palettes, all of that kind of stuff I keep in here. This drawer is my eyeshadow palette drawer. So this is probably my favorite drawer because I just love eyeshadow palettes. But I love the Carli Bybel eyeshadow palette from BH. I have some Morphe palettes, chocolate bar palettes, peach palette, all my Anastasia palettes in here. I love the Naked palette. I only like the first one though. I have like 5 of them in here and the first one's definitely my favorite. The new Carli Bybel Anastasia palette. Some limited edition palettes in here. I kind of should organize this one a little bit better, but I don't know how you can. But yeah, so that is my eyeshadow palette drawer. Okay, and then these 2 drawers, again, are like random. I don't know why I keep like the most random things in the bottom drawers, but in here I just have nail polishes. This one's kind of organized actually. I have like random products that I've never even opened, some cough drops. That's like a little manicure like nail kit. And yeah, just random stuff in there. And then this drawer I keep, I think, makeup bags, and I have another Neutrogena makeup wipe box in there, some room spray. Yeah, nothing really interesting in that one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and found it interesting. If you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video.